Once upon a time, in a tranquil village, nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Hiro. Hiro was a curious and contemplative child, always seeking knowledge and understanding in the world around him. His inquisitive nature led him to the village monastery, where he sought the teachings of Zen Buddhism. Under the guidance of the wise Zen master, Hiro learned about the profound concepts of mindfulness, presence, and the interconnectedness of all things. He spent his days meditating in the peaceful gardens, finding solace and wisdom in the serenity of his surroundings. One morning, as Hiro sat beneath a cherry blossom tree, he noticed a particularly radiant sunrise painting the sky with hues of gold, orange, and pink. The sun's warm light seemed to breathe life into the world, awakening every flower, tree, and creature with its gentle touch. Inspired by this magical scene, Hiro approached his Zen master, eager to understand the deeper meaning behind the sunrise. The master smiled, his eyes sparkling with wisdom, and began to tell Hiro a story. Long ago, the master began, there was a great Zen master named Akiro. He lived atop a mountain, surrounded by a dense forest and the whispers of nature. Akiro was known for his profound insights and his ability to impart wisdom through simple tales. One day, the master continued, a young disciple approached Akiro, seeking guidance on how to navigate life's challenges and find inner peace. Akiro invited the young disciple to witness the sunrise with him. The next morning, they climbed to the peak of the mountain, their anticipation mounting with every step. As the first rays of sunlight peaked above the horizon, Akiro turned to the disciple and said, "Observe the sunrise and allow its beauty to wash over you." The disciple gazed at the sunrise, awestruck by its splendor. But as he continued to watch, he noticed something peculiar. The sun did not rise steadily, it appeared to pulsate and dance in the sky. The disciple could not comprehend this phenomenon. "Master," the disciple said, "why does the sun appear to move in such a strange manner?" Akiro smiled and replied, "The sun does not move, my child. It is the earth that rotates, giving the illusion of the sun's motion. Just as the sunrise is an illusion, so are many of our perceptions and beliefs. The world is not always as it seems." Hiro listened intently, his mind captivated by the master's words. He realized that the sunrise symbolized more than just the beginning of a new day, it represented the awakening of consciousness, the birth of new possibilities, and the realization that things are not always as they appear. From that day forward, Hiro embraced the teachings of Zen, allowing the warm light of awareness to guide his thoughts and actions. He understood that by observing the world with open eyes and a clear mind, he could uncover hidden truths and discover the interconnectedness of all things. And so, Hiro continued his journey through life, always seeking the wisdom of the Zen sunrise, carrying its message of awakening and possibility within his heart. Remember, dear reader, that just as the sun rises above the horizon, illuminating the world with its warm light, you too have the power to awaken your consciousness and embrace the birth of new possibilities. Let the wisdom of the Zen sunrise guide your path and inspire you to explore the depths of your own existence.